Hello everyone. I am Chandrakant Kabade from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I am dual graduate with PG in journalism from Shivaji University, Kolhapur. My total experience is 21 years in print and electronic media with government projects. Currently, I am working as a stranger in Doordarshan Mumbai based in Kolhapur. I have driven real change through communication. At Kolhapur Jilla Parishad, I lead a sanitation project, crafting awareness campaigns, communication strategy, and media relations that made 1,000 villages open defecation free, earning them Nirmal Puraskar awards. Nationally, I implemented DBT in the fertilizer project, sparking widespread awareness. For the last 6 months, the Doordarshan Marathi Sahyadri channel, my stories on government schemes have aired to strong response. I covered PM Sonidhi adding 21,000 Kolhapur street vendor during COVID. I highlighted PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana delivering the 49 crore in solar subsidy to cut bills and protect the environment. And I showcased Shivaji University's flood safe dam technology to safeguard lives. My journalism is not just headlines, it's a commitment to social good, holding schemes accountable, amplifying voices, and informing people for a better tomorrow. I want to bring this energy to your team. Thank you.